right, and there is your foot swipe, also known as a coffee grinder. I did a hook at the end of that last one, and this is one of the most important things you can learn in footwork because you incorporate it into a lot of footwork and a lot of other moves. So you see my starting position, I'm squatting down, leg out. I'm just gonna swing it around, hands over, and then jump, okay? I'm basically skipping over that leg, okay? Here's my starting position again, okay? Squatting down, and hand over, and then jump, okay? You're just swinging the leg around, and make sure you swing it in a circle, most important part. Y'all practice. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Peace.